Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase download speed on Steam. First, let's be clear, slow Steam downloads are usually caused by server location, limited bandwidth, or background apps. You can speed this up with some steps that I'm going to show you in this video. But if you have a slow internet, you will not be able, for example, to increase the speed. So if you have a high speed or high internet speed and you have a slow download speed in Steam, this video is for you. If you have a slow internet, I'm sorry. So first, let's just go and open Steam. Once you open the Steam, we would like to go to settings. So click on Steam at the top right corner, and then go and click on settings. Once you do so, this should open for you. Here, basically on this left panel, just go and click on downloads. So in the downloads as example, under this download region, pick the nearest fast server, not always your country. So you can test some few. So you can see there's Africa, Northwest, East, West, Argentina. So you'll have just to choose the server that is closest to you. And as I said, sometimes the server that's closest to you will be slow as well. Why? Because a lot of people using it. There's a lot of load in the server. So you can choose something that is close. You can try it. You can always come here and change it. So change as example from this to this to this. Of course, make sure to change the server, and they should all be close to you. Also, let me just go through that. If you have limits download speed, you have some bandwidth limits, just go and disable that. This will remove the bandwidth limits in the same menu. Also, make sure to close some background apps. So let's just go and get out from Steam. Click on Ctrl-Shift-Escape, or you can go here and open the task manager and check for network. As example, click on network and see what apps are taking most of your network. As example, at the moment, it's my browser, so it's not even taking too much. It's 1 megabyte per second, and I have 100, so it doesn't matter. But if you're downloading a game, all you need to do just come here and see if someone is taking your internet out. If someone is taking your internet, make sure to close the app until your download finish. Also, make sure to enable if you want high priority for Steam. You can go as example here and type Steam. So as example in the Steam, you can go and choose the resource value on network as example. Oh, sorry, wait, first of all, let me just go, not this one. Let me just go here to details. An example on the details, you will be able to set priority as example to high. So you can always get the highest priority on downloading and a lot of other options. And if possible, make sure to use an Ethernet cable instead of a Wi-Fi for stable speed on your PC. Because Ethernet cable will increase this download speed and speed on your PC in general. So some of the other things that you can work on as example, go back to settings. It's the last thing that I know, which is go as example here to downloads, and you can go and clear as example the cache of download. So go to this clear download cache and click on that and click on confirm. As you can see, this will shut down the Steam, and basically you can go and open it again. And this, as you can see, it will be open, so you can just go and select yourself, and you should be good to go. This will increase the speed of downloading if you have a good internet and you're not getting the highest speed, as example, on your Steam account. That should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.